Hey associates, welcome to week 8, officially midway through the semester, running March 9th through the 15th. This week is a little bit different because we will not meet in person. You'll have that self-paced lab to explore digital kind of accessibility, simulations, tools, and start auditing your own work. Other than that though, it is kind of a normal week, so let's go over it. All right, so in your Intro to Digital Accessibility reading materials, you have a mini lecture video as always. This time I'm actually auditing the Canvas shell and kind of reacting to the accessibility tools in the authoring software that we have. And then of course you will read or listen to the chapter that's gonna give you definitions, models. We're gonna go over some of the international, national, and state standards for accessibility and content. And then it ends with some very specific concrete actions that you need to be taking in your projects and your work, just to create work up to kind of those standards and the tools that you'll be using. Then the document analysis you'll go over is kind of a web accessibility report with just some research and stats and data. It is focused on web design, so those of you headed into those fields, that's something you'll want to, start thinking more seriously about. I also give you a lot of additional perspectives with things from Google and Apple and sort of Android kind of standards if you are making apps or something like that. And again, the lab is self-paced. So you do have a lab, you do have a lab reflection due. It's due on Friday. So you have all week to go through the slide deck on your own and just complete the activities, use the tools, experience the simulators, just kind of on your own time. If you are doing the instructional video, so that product demo kind of tutorial, that is due on Saturday, so definitely be working through that. And if you're like, nope, don't want to do that project, no worries. We still have 2 other media opportunities. The next one is a recorded presentation, so a lot of people choose to do that. If you have very, very little interest in video at all, that will be the one for you. But I'm excited to see what instructional content and tutorials you all make. I always love that project because they get really interesting, from how to beat a game level to how to change, the headlights on a car. It really spans the gamut of what you want to create your tutorial around. All right, I hope you have such a good week, associates. I will see you, not this week, but I'll see you next week for our project check group 2 as we, start really wrapping up and focusing on those. Vibes!